In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Photos over Wi-Fi only. If you want your pictures and videos to back up without using your mobile data, this quick setup will make sure uploads happen only when you're connected to Wi-Fi, whether you're on Android or iPhone. Start by opening the Google Photos app. On the top right, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. From there, choose Photos Settings to get into the app's controls. Next, tap Backup to open the backup and sync options. Here's where we'll limit backups to Wi-Fi. Tap Mobile Data Usage. On some devices, this may be labeled Data Usage. You'll see separate switches for photos and videos. Turn both of these off so the app won't use cellular data for uploads. If you see an option for roaming data, turn that off as well to prevent any uploads when you're traveling on a roaming network. With these toggles off, Google Photos will wait for a Wi-Fi connection before it starts sending anything to the cloud. While you're still in the backup settings, make sure the main backup option is turned on. This keeps backups active overall, but controlled by Wi-Fi only. Depending on your device, you may also see a setting called Backup using Wi-Fi only. If it's available, turn it on. Some Android versions show this direct Wi-Fi only switch, while others use the mobile data controls you just adjusted. If you don't see the Wi-Fi only switch, that's fine. The mobile data settings you change do the same job. Here's what these settings accomplish. Your photos and videos upload only when your phone is on Wi-Fi, which helps you avoid mobile data charges from large backups. If Wi-Fi is off or unavailable, uploads simply pause in the background and then resume automatically once you reconnect. That means you can keep shooting photos on the go without worrying about surprise data usage, and the app will catch up the next time you're on a trusted network. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you've taken a lot of photos or 4K video, give the app some time on Wi-Fi to finish backing up, and try to keep the screen on or the app open if you want it to move along faster. If names in your settings look slightly different, don't worry, just follow the path to backup and then find either mobile data usage or data usage. And that's it. With these simple changes, you've set Google Photos to back up over Wi-Fi only, saving data and keeping your library safely synced in the background.